3 reasons why learning Canva is the best skill to acquire. 1. Demand. Canva is a popular and widely used graphic design tool, and the demand for individuals with Canva skills is high. By acquiring these skills, you can market yourself as a design professional and increase your job opportunities. 2. Versatility. Canva is a versatile tool that can be used to create a wide range of design projects, from simple graphics and social media posts to more complex designs such as presentations, infographics, and reports. Having Canva skills enables you to tackle a variety of design projects and expand your creativity. 3. Ease of use. Canva is designed to be user-friendly and easy to learn, even for individuals without prior design experience. This makes it accessible to everyone and eliminates the need for expensive design software or a background in graphic design. With Canva, anyone can quickly and easily create professional-looking designs. 2 differences between Canva and Adobe. User experience. Canva is designed for non-designers and provides an intuitive, drag-and-drop interface for creating visual content. Adobe products, such as Photoshop and Illustrator, are geared towards professional designers and have a steeper learning curve. Cost. Canva offers a free version as well as paid subscription options, while Adobe products are only available through a monthly or yearly subscription. Adobe products also have a higher cost than Canva's paid plans. We left a link in the description box. Get access to the free version. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. This was a James Teller presentation.